I'm very fortunate that I have a fantastic work-life balance because of working in EI. It allows me more time to spend with my family, both after work and at weekends. Gives me more time to do what I want to do, which is play sport and be active within the community. I know that regardless if I have a problem, I can knock on anyone's door, and that's including Mick, the CEO of the company. If I have a problem, he's going to drop what he's doing and he's going to listen and try solve them problems for me. And that's throughout the company, and I think it's a very important aspect of the culture within EI. Yeah, I suppose I didn't travel the natural route to come into a manufacturing plant. I graduated from GMIT with a degree in construction management. I worked in the building sites for over 10 years. The crash came obviously and the economy wasn't great, but thankfully the electronics took a gamble on me and brought me in, but gave me an opportunity to develop, gave me an opportunity to be a supervisor in an evening shift. Since then, they've allowed me to develop into the continuous improvement side that I'm in, as well as the training perspective. And on top of that, they've sponsored me to go back to college and get a degree in production management as well.